Hey everyone, welcome to part 6 of this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to take in the interface name instead of the IP address, and we will use a regular expression that will extract the first 3 octets of the IP address once we specify the Ethernet name. So let's just quickly look at this. So in here, if I type in IP address show ETH0, so my network interface name is ETH0, yours can be different. So you want to run this command ETH0 as an argument to our script, and what you want is that our script to take in this IP address. It will look for the output. It will look for the first 3 octets of the IP address. It will extract it from this output here. So we will be using a regular expression that will only extract this 192.168.1 from this from the output of this command IP address show ETH0. So I will show you how to run this command and extract only the first 3 octets. So let's get started here. Now for this, the first thing we have to import the module. But before we do this, so in here we are taking an IP address. So this time we won't be taking an IP address. We will be taking the interface name. So we type in interface. So in here, let's also type in interface name. And instead of IP address, it's interface. And instead of IP address, we will change this to interface as well. Since we change this to interface, we have to change this to interface as well because we are taking the interface. And let's also change this name because we will be storing it in our interface object. So previously we had IP because we are getting an IP. Now we change it to interface because we are getting the interface name. You don't have to change it, but this way the code is more readable. So next, what we have to do is our script here, it takes IP. Let's again change this as well to interface. We wanted to change the interface name, and instead of IP this time, we want to run the command that I showed you, IP address show ETH0. So for that, we need to import the module, which is subprocess. Next, we have to run the command that previously I showed you. So we can run it by using the subprocess module, subprocess.run. Then we have to type in the IP address. So the command was IP address show, and it was ETH0. But since yours can be different, and we want to take it from the command line argument or as an argument to the script, so we have to pass in the interface here. So we type in the interface. Once we do that, then we have to pass in the option capture underscore output is equal to true. Capture output true means that the output of this command, or if there is an error, so the std out and the std should be stored. This is what the capture output means. Next, we have to set the text. We are saying text is true. So text is true means that store the result that we get as text, not as bytes. So once we do that, next we have to change in the regular expression. So we will be using a slightly different regular expression. So previously we saw that in here, let's quickly get here, IP address show ETH0. So we can see that this line here starts with INET, and we want to take this first 3 digits. So we are looking for the INET 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. We will take these 3 digits from the output of this command here. Again, if you don't understand this regular expression, guys, please put it in the comment section below, and I will create another video that will explain this regular expression. Now, once we do that, then next we have to search it. So previously we typed in result, it's stored in result, but this time we have to just type in std out because we are searching for the std out. We are searching for this regular expression and the output of this result here, the result object. So I don't think we have to bring any more changes. So in here we have, this is our function. We are calling it here. We are typing the IP address, but we have changed it to interface. So let's change it to interface as well. So interface, let's save it. Let's go to terminal, new terminal, and let's run this. So if we type in Python and we type in our interface name. So previously we typed the IP address. This time we are typing in our interface name, network interface name. So hopefully this time it will start scanning. Yes, so it works, guys. There wasn't an error in the regular expression, and the code works just fine. So in here you can see that we typed in this command IP address show. It will extract the first 3 digits of the IP address, and it will start scanning for live host, which is 192.168.1.1, then 1.2 and 1.2.3, and this will keep going on until it reaches all the hosts in the network, all 254. So this is it for this tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. And if you found this tutorial useful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.